Hey guys, welcome back to part 2 on me doing my first impressions and unboxing with Sapphire Fragrances. If you haven't watched part 1 yet, I highly suggest watching part 1 first, then come back to this video. Okay, so we have here the last remaining 3 fragrances, and hindi ko alam ano mga fragrances to. So, let's open this up. Ang ganda talaga ng packaging nila, it's very safe. Brands should do this more para mas safe yung ano. So, we have here is their GFS, Gentle Fluid Silver. Okay, next is Herbapura. Proud favorite. Okay, last one. Oh, it's Eclat! So lastly, you have here is Eclat. I thought it was Bibi kasi nakalagay dun sa ano is Bibi, but it's okay. I love Eclat. Let's do some first sniff. Let's start first with Eclat kasi that juice color is very intriguing. So let's do some few sniff or few sprays with Eclat for home. I really like yung kulay ng bottle. It reminds me a lot yung OG na Eclat because I have the OG. Boom, boom, boom! Nice atomizer Sapphire Fragrances. Oh! So, yeah, sa opening, very citrus, ozonic. Kuhang-kuha nila here yung lime, orange, and citrus combination, which gives off like this kind of ozonic na feeling or aquatic na feeling. So off the top, it's very fresh. And this is such a well done copy of Eclat. Hindi siya like parang ano, very smooth siya. Hindi siya parang malansa. Kasi I've tried this one, Eclat inspired, meron siyang pagkamalansa. And the others too. But this one hindi, it's smooth overall. Quality on this one is really good. I really love their bottle, bro. This is a well done copy of Eclat, bro. Sapphire Fragrances has definitely improved. Kasi I have yung mga small decants nila. And they have Eclat dun. And I think nabawas yung reformulation. This one is better compared dun. Fresh, aromatic, citrusy, a bit spicy. And you also get like woods as well as it dries down. So let's head into the next scent. Next, this is a crowd favorite of my followers. This is Herbapura. Let's see if nakuha nila yung DNA ni Herbapura. Boom. Boom. Oh, so off the top, it's very tropical, fruity, a bit of citrus, and powdery nuance. Okay, off the top, kuhang-kuha nila yung DNA ni Herbapura. And what I like already here, may pick up mo kagad is balance yung fruit notes and yung pagka-powderiness niya. Hindi angat yung isa or angat yung another one. Talagang balance siya. Personally, I'm not the biggest fan of Herbapura, but since my viewers like it, so why not? Diba? Why not? It's a well-done copy of Herbapura. Not bad. And I love it. I love it. Nice. Well done, Sapphire. So let's head into the last scent. And we have here is GFS. You guys know how much I love GFS. Kahit amoy bakal siya, it's really nice. I'm sorry if hindi na-focus. It was kinda kahiya. But here it is. Boom, boom, boom. More. I love GFS, bro. Ah, nice. Nice, nice, nice. Nice, nice. Kuwang-kuwang. Not bad, not bad, not bad. Fresh, clean, may pagka-metallic, sharp, amoy bagong labahan, amoy pogi. Literal, amoy pogi, man. It smells so damn good on GFS. It grew on me. Before, hindi ko siya type ng GFS, but the more I wore it, na-appreciate ko sobra. It's sobrang bango. Sobrang clean. Anyway, so, kuha ba yung Sapphire Fragrances? Yeah. Kuha. Kuha yung pagka-aromatic ng juniper berries. Napansin ko is it's leaning more of the fresher side. What do I mean by fresher side? Since this is a fresh fragrance. Meaning, medyo na-tone down nila a bit yung metallicness here. It's not as metallic and sharp, which is nice. Kasi most GFS inspired I've tried is they're too screechy. Screechy, what I mean is like too metallic. But this one, nice. It's just fresh, spicy, aromatic, and clean. Really, really good. Really nice. So for my overall verdict, man, these are really, really nice. Anyways, I would like to thank Sir Dave, the owner of Sapphire Fragrances, for sending this out to me. Sir, I really appreciate it, and I can't wait to full wear all of these fragrances and review it to you guys. Abangan nyo na lang guys, medyo madami ito, so medyo matatagalan tayo a bit. All of this slap, especially yung Bianco Latte nila. Man, sobrang solid ito. Again, thank you again, Sir Dave. For my viewers out there, man, if you want talaga ng, sasabihin ko na agad, if you want a good copy of Bianco Latte on a budget, this one. Sobrang solid ito. Stay tuned for my full review on all of these fragrances ng Sapphire Fragrances. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the flip side. Peace.